Hi everyone, in today's video we show you how to find your IP address on Linux. So you can find your IP address on Linux basically in two ways. The first way is to go into your apps, type in settings, and here we need to choose our network settings and press on this button right here, and you can see your IP address right here in two formats, IPv6, IPv4, and that's basically it. So we can press apply. The second way is to use terminal, so we can type in terminal and use the IP space A command. And as you can see, this is my loopback address, and there is my IP address that we had also in the settings section. And that's basically all, how to find your IP address on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe the channel.